Games on iPad that claim to pay real money don't generate income from gameplay itself. They're funded by advertisers who pay for installs, engagement, and time spent inside sponsored apps. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of iPad games people use to earn real money, how these systems actually pay out, and what decides whether you see consistent earnings or just occasional rewards. Start with how real money iPad games actually work. These apps track actions like completing levels, watching ads, or reaching milestones in sponsored games. Once you accumulate enough points or credits, you can redeem them for PayPal Cash or gift cards depending on the platform. So the money is coming from advertising budgets, not the games themselves. First category is puzzle and match style reward games. These games reward you for completing levels or daily objectives. Early progress often feels faster, but rewards usually slow down as you advance because higher levels require more time for smaller gains. Second category is trivia and quiz cash games. These games pay for answering questions correctly in live or timed formats. Earnings depend on participation and accuracy, but availability of live rounds affects how often you can actually earn. Third category is idle and simulation reward games. These games reward long-term progress and passive gameplay. You earn by hitting milestones over time, but payout speed depends on how many sponsored offers are active behind the scenes. Fourth category is arcade-style reward games. These include simple tap, reaction, or reflex-based gameplay. Rewards are often tied to session time or at engagement, rather than skill alone. Fifth category is offer-based gaming platforms. These apps host multiple iPad-compatible games from different advertisers. You choose games based on reward value, but tracking and approval times vary depending on the advertiser system. Now here's what actually matters more than the type of game. Offer availability is the biggest factor. If there are no active sponsored campaigns, earning slows down regardless of how much you play. Device compatibility also matters. Some iPad users receive fewer or different offers compared to mobile phone users because advertisers target specific devices. And payout thresholds matter more than most people expect. Even if you earn steadily, higher withdrawal limits can make progress feel slow. So instead of searching for a single best-paying iPad game, the smarter approach is using multiple reward apps and focusing on the ones with consistent offers for your device. Summary: iPad games that pay real money rely on advertiser funding, not gameplay revenue. Earnings depend on offer availability, device targeting, and payout thresholds. No game guarantees consistent income for every user. Next step: try one iPad reward game and track how quickly your first few payouts become available under real conditions. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.